Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using substitution method. It is question number 9 from this book, the Cambridge IGCSE and O-level additional maths course book. So this is question number 9. This is question number 9 from exercise 2.1. So let's begin. The question I have here today is x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x square plus y square is equal to 10. So we're going to be changing this equation. We will make x the subject, so x is equal to 7 minus 2y. We're going to put this in the place of x. So 7 minus 2y whole square plus y square is equal to 10. So we're going to open this using the identity of a square plus 2ab minus 2ab. It's a minus sign, so we're going to put minus 2ab plus b square. 49 minus, so 2 into 7 is 14. So 2 into 7 is 14 and 14 into 2 is 28. So that's how you apply 2ab. So 28y plus 2y square, which is 4y square. 2y and 1 squared is 4y square. Plus y square is equal to 10. We're going to add up 4y square and y square. 5y square minus 28y plus 49 minus 10 is equal to 0. So we're going to bring the minus here. 10 here and change its positive sign to a negative. So we're going to get 5y square minus 28y plus 39 equal to 0. So, 5 into 39 is 195. And if we multiply 13 by 15, we get 195 as well. 5y square minus 15y minus 13y plus 39 is equal to 0. We're going to take 5y common from this. So 5y, y minus 3 and minus 13, which is y minus 3. Because 39 divided by 13 is 3, is equal to 0. 5y minus 13, and we're going to make these two brackets single, so single bracket, so y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's separate this equation. So 5y minus 13 is equal to 0, which is 5y is equal to 13, and then y is equal to 13 upon 5. And we have y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Yes. The original equation we had was x is equal to 7 minus 2y. X is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. X is, oh sorry, that's not n, that's n, not x. X is equal to 7 minus 6. X is equal to 1. 1 comma 3 is one answer to this question, and the other we will be finding out. So x is equal to 7 minus 2y. which is x is equal to 7 minus 9y and 9 upon 5, and x is equal to 1.8. So we have 1.8, which is 9 upon 5, comma 13 upon 5. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with friends and colleagues who might find my maths difficult or just want to improve. I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.